We're going to focus on 5.3c, which is solve for quotients of up to 4 digits dividend by 2 digits divisor using strategies and the standard algorithm. I'm going to focus on some of the strategies that we are doing right now. One is area model and then partial quotient. So here I have a sentence, an equation 192 divided by 12. So with the area model, we start off with base 10 blocks. So I've got 100 here, my flat, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 tenths right there. And then the 2 ones representing this number 192. Now I have to take all this and I have to divide them into 12 equal groups. And so the way we're going to approach this, we're going to put our divisor on the left. So this represents 10, and this represents 1 more. This represents another 1. So I have 10 plus 1 plus 1, 12 right here as my divisor. So the very first thing I do, I'm going to make groups of 10s. So right here, I have 12 groups of 10. There's one group of 12, one group of 12, all the way to the end here. Now I have all these 1, 2, 4, 6. I still have 7 tens and 2 ones. That makes 72, and I have to divide them into 12 groups. So I can start to go ahead and do this. And there's one group right there. However, I don't have any more ones, so I had to tray and make this. Take away that and substitute for 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 and take this away. So now I am able to break them into separate sets again. So there is one group of 12, another group of 12, the third group of 12, fourth group of 12, 5 groups of 12, and 6 groups of 12. And all my cubes, all my blocks are gone. So that means, how am I going to find my quotient? There's 1, another 1, another 1, another 1, another 1, another 1. So all I have to do, I have to add all these parts together, and there's going to be my quotient. So 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 16. Therefore, my quotient is 16. Now I can check it, and multiplying 16 times 12 should give me 192. If that's the way you would like to check it, I'm not going to show you right now. But moving on from this, we're going to go to a little bit more abstract. It's still part of area model, and we're going to use the same thing. Basically, what I did is I am drawing this. So if I am not using the manipulative, I still start with 192. I have a divisor of 12. The first step I'm going to do, I'm going to make groups of 10 because that's just easy to make. 10 times 12 is 120. I'm going to go ahead and subtract that. So now I have 72, just like what we had before. However, now I am going to shift this to the second column, and I start with 72. Now, how many groups of 12 is in 72? I'm not too good with my math facts, so I'm just going to guess, I think maybe 3. So I'm going to put 3 here. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. I'm going to subtract that again. I have 36 left. And so that means I'm going to continue and bring this over to this column. I have 36, and I know that 3 times 12 is 36. So another group of 3 is 36. Subtract that. I have no remainder. I am all done. Close up my box. Again, I am going to add right here. This is my quotient. Before, when we were doing partial product, this was my factor. Now, 10 plus 3 is equal to 16, exactly what I got from here. So this is just moving from base 10 blocks to a more abstract area model.